Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT X19 S, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you'll want to open up your Contacts application. From here, tap on the three bars and go to Settings, where you should see Import option at the bottom. Select Allow. And from here, we're going to select that we want to import our contacts from the SIM card. Select Next to our phone, and this will show us all the contacts that are on that SIM card. So you could simply just click on all of them to select them. And from there, I'm just going to select OK. And there we go. That's it. The contacts now have been imported. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.